Hey Disney fans, it's time for another magical episode of our Disney Tips series. Today we're talking about something every Disney parent needs to know before they hit the parks.
That's right. We're diving into the world of height restrictions. Did you know that nearly 30% of attractions at Disney parks have height requirements? And not just the big scary rides, some kid-friendly favorites too.
Imagine this. You've just waited in line for Space Mountain with your excited 5-year-old and then, boom, you find out they don't meet the 40-inch height requirement. Instant meltdown, right?
Yeah, that's definitely not how you want to start your Disney day. Planning ahead is so important when it comes to height requirements. A lot of parents don't realize just how many of these restrictions there are. From Tron Light Cycle Run at 48 inches to Slinky Dog Dash at 38 inches.
And don't forget, Avatar Flight of Passage over at Animal Kingdom has a 44-inch minimum. So if your little one's not quite there yet, you'll want to know before they get their hopes up.
Right. But luckily, there are still plenty of options for kids who might not be tall enough for the thrill rides. Rides like Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway and Peter Pan's Flight have no height restrictions. Perfect for all ages.
Exactly. And Disney makes it easy with the Rider Switch program. Have you ever used it?
Oh, definitely. It's a lifesaver. Here's how it works. If you have a little one who can't ride, one adult stays behind while the other rides. Then you swap without waiting in line again. Everyone gets a chance to enjoy the ride, and no one has to sit out.
And here's a tip. Make sure to measure your kids before the trip, so you know exactly which rides they're tall enough for. It'll save you a lot of tears and frustration.
You know, a lot of people don't realize that Navi River Journey in Animal Kingdom is a great option for younger kids. It's a beautiful, slow boat ride through the world of Pandora, and there's no height requirement.
Yeah, it's such a peaceful experience, with glowing plants and creatures. Plus, everyone in the family can enjoy it together. It's a great alternative if your little one can't join you on Flight of Passage.
So the bottom line? Knowing the height requirements can make all the difference when planning your Disney trip. Measure those kiddos, plan your must-dos, and you'll keep the magic alive without any last-minute surprises.
Exactly. And remember, the Disney Genie app is a great way to keep track of height requirements and find the best rides for your family. Use it to plan out your day and avoid any disappointments.
Have you ever been caught by surprise by a height requirement? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to hear your tips and tricks too.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more Disney planning secrets. See you real soon, everyone.
Be strong.